Hi guys, some traders lose opportunities simply because their trading setup is too slow. Okay, modern trading terminals include performance modes designed to make the interface faster and more responsive. In this video, we will look at how to configure Inferno mode in Terminal to improve your trading experience. But before starting the video, if you haven't joined Padre Terminal, you can use our referral code CryptoWhale, which is being displayed on the screen, or you can also sign up with our referral link, which is available into the description of the video, so that you can save big transaction gas fees forever. Okay, so let's get back to the video. What is Inferno mode? Inferno mode is a performance settings that prioritize speed and responsiveness in the trading interface. Okay, so it focuses on faster dashboard updates, quick access to trade buttons, real-time market data. So how we can enable this Inferno mode? But to be honest, this mode doesn't exist in this terminal. I can just tell you how I can tell you the best setting that can help you get the maximum like trading settings. So usually this Inferno by the word Inferno mode, usually people think that it's an option which is available into the terminal. Like the most of the videos in the YouTube video, people say that how you can enable, but there is actually no option for this Inferno mode. By the Inferno mode, we can just tell you the settings which can help you accelerate your trading. So customize first of all your trading layout. A faster interface also means keeping your dashboard clean. Try organizing your layout with price chart, okay, and your buy sell panel and your recent transaction. As you can see that by default these settings are here. So is a step to adjust transaction settings. Like before trading, make sure your transaction settings are properly configured. You can check for your settings here, and you can create your multiple presets here, as you can see this. Okay, so you can this can include like slippage tolerance, transaction priority, and buy amount. These settings affect how smoothly your trade execute. So here's a step for make sure to monitor market activity. High speed interfaces are most useful when you are watching active markets. Keep your eye on the trading volume, liquidity changing, and recent transaction. You can check for this here, like you can check for the holders, top traders, and you can also look for here the recent trades transactions. So test with small trades. Whenever you change your terminal setup, always test it first. Start with small trades to make sure everything works smoothly. So here's a beginner tip. If you are new to trading terminals, focus on learning the interface before trying advanced strategies. Speed is useful, but misunderstanding the market is sometimes can also cause issues. So performance modes like Inferno mode can help make trading interface smoother and more responsive, but real advantage always comes from good decision making and risk management. If you want more tutorials like this, subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Till then, goodbye.